You know, every time I'm trying to do a different type of video, at least the last few days, I haven't been able to. I've changed it around because of everything that's going on with the stock market and the drops. And earlier today, of course, I made a quick little video saying, you know, that I was not investing yet in Robinhood because my funds had not reached Robinhood yet, and that's a great thing because I would have probably bought some stocks and already have lost some money. So I'm waiting patiently for that money to arrive, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do with that. But let's talk about that. Actually, let's talk about what I plan to do. These are some of the stocks that I was gonna buy, and we were gonna do a different type of video for this, but let me just tell you guys, I think I pulled them up here. Okay, so there's 4 other stocks I want to buy right now, and I had bought a couple of some of these, a little bit of, and I want to buy more. But these are the ones that I want to buy, and I want to show you how much the last few days have affected the stock price here. So let's start off with the first one, Disney. Disney I wanted to buy, I don't know about a week ago. I put the price down at $138.89 was what the price was at that time. Today, at the end of the day, I saw the price was $117.91. It went down $20.98. So I'm going to have a great savings right there. Microsoft was at $178.21, and it is currently at $157.50. Another $20.71 there. New residential, one of my favorites, $17.40 was the initial price, and it went down to $15.90. So I'm going to have a $1.50 savings there. And those 3 were the ones I was going to buy now because the price has gone down. Apple was at $318.35, and now it's at $270.79. A savings of $47.56. So in total, that is $90.75 that I'll be saving if I buy 1 stock of each. So that has changed my perception and as to how much I'm going to buy. If I'm able to purchase things tomorrow, then I can buy probably 1 more of each stock, of Disney, of Microsoft, of NRZ. I'm still going to keep that one at 100 because I want to buy 100 more of those. And then I'm going to throw in as an extra bonus 6 Apple stocks, which I will add into this. And I think that will be a good mix. This is a great savings right now. It may drop even further. I don't know how far this is going to go down as far as it going down, but I know just as it's going to go down, it's going to come back up again. Now, why am I going to buy stocks in these companies? Now, the nice thing is that these are dividend stocks. We're talking about Disney, Microsoft, and New Residential. They're dividend stocks that I've been wanting to buy more of and build up because those companies are very strong. They're very good. Now, New Residential is a little newer, of course, but it's so diversified that I think it's going to continue doing very well. And New Residential is basically where I get most of my dividend at this time. But I want more companies to give me more dividend, and so I'm going with Disney and Microsoft as some of the companies for the dividend. But I'm also going because those stock prices tend to go up significant and in big numbers. Within a year, you go back and you look at that. Maybe I'll show you some graphs here. You go back a year and you see how much it's gone up, and you go, that's worth the extra money that you're paying for these companies. But they're so rich, and you know that these little bumps in the road are not going to affect Disney or Microsoft too much. So Disney has been expanding. Of course, now they have Disney Plus, they have Hulu, they have ESPN Plus. They sell it as a package now, and they've gone with that streaming service, which has so far has been very good for them, and they're already in the millions of customers that they have when I'm pretty sure that by the time they come out next quarter, they're either gonna double that number or better than that possibly. And they're always very strong with all the movies that they're producing. Their theme parks are first class, man. I mean, I can't wait to go back to Disney World myself. I love that place. Microsoft, it's made such a tremendous comeback, and it's right there in the cloud, and it's a very good company to have, and I predict that this one is also going to be very expensive in the next few years, and so I want to have a little piece of Microsoft in my portfolio as well. New Residential, I love that company. I hope it just keeps on doing as well as it's doing. The dividend that they're paying for the price of the stock is amazing. And last but not least, Apple. Apple, I think that it's still expensive at $270.79. It's still expensive, but it's almost $50 down from where it was. So because of that, in itself, I want to have that stock, because Lord knows how that is going to go. Look at Google, look at Amazon. Those are crazy how high they've gone, and Apple keeps on getting their products out. People really like Apple products, and they've been very good, and hopefully they're going to keep on growing and growing and growing. I haven't recently invested back into Facebook. I haven't even looked at it lately. That's the one that I would like to see one more time again and see how that's going. But for now, I had to talk about this because these are the stocks that I wanted to buy, and I wanted to show you guys the savings that I was going to have. This is like walking into a store where there is a big slash in prices, and you go, this is perfect, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, I want to take it all. I want to take it all if I could. I can't, but it's definitely a good thing because I'm able to purchase a little bit more of each company and throw in some more Apple stocks in there on top of that, which is great. So at some point, hopefully, we're not professionals here, but we love investing, we love looking at these things, we love to talk about it as well, and I want to just share this information with everybody. I want to thank everybody for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue doing these videos for everybody. We love sitting here talking to you guys. We try to do as many videos as we can. We all have our jobs, and we all have to do our jobs first, and this is kind of our part-time thing that we love doing, and we love talking. We love doing these stock videos, but we also like doing like the JFK video and the haunted videos and things like the sports talk, which we hopefully will do next week. One of our alpha cavers is in Vegas right now, but as soon as he's back, we're back on. And hopefully we'll be talking more football again, because I really want to start talking about the draft, and they have the combine coming up and all these other things that are coming up. So that's going to be fun again, once again. Guys, take care. See you next time.